In India, light is more than a symbol. It's the clean energy driving real change. As a Tier 1 global PV inverter manufacturer, Solis empowers communities across India with reliable power. Behind this are real-world stories, proven on the ground across the country. Mountain factory plagued by outages, aging lines, rugged terrain, heat, dust, fragile grid, too much for conventional equipment. The Solis inverter delivers 99% efficiency, runs at full load even in 45 degrees Celsius heat, and adapts to weak grids, providing steady power through dust and instability. Now, electricity stays stable, production flows smoothly, and calm replaces worry on the factory floor. Light's impact goes beyond factories. Across this land, where blackouts and stifling nights were once the norm, solar arrays now bring reliable power to villages. High efficiency and smart management supply clean energy, easing local shortages and shifting the energy mix day after day. Where fields meet energy, a new story grows. As electricity reaches the fields, a new story unfolds. Photovoltaic panels are laid out across the farmland, generating green energy. To tackle the challenge of scattered sites and labor-intensive manual inspections, Solis delivers a smart solution. Solis Cloud centralizes distributed plant data in the cloud, enabling remote real-time monitoring and alerts without on-site visits. From grid to factory, village to field, Solis believes no light should be wasted, and every watt should be certain.